Yeah, hi guys. Today's video, I want to critically show you people how I will upload this book and how it will go live on this book. Yeah, if you have not been watching my video, I've uploaded a video on how I created a foreign account. So you don't need to go and be paying people to create for me a foreign account. No, in that video, I put a step-by-step guide on how to create a foreign account, how to verify it, and how to get a tax number. So if you have not watched that video, just quickly go back and watch that video. Yeah. So today's in this today's tutorial, I will show you how I want to upload this book. Now, I've already designed the cover of this book, and here is the cover. Here is the cover I have designed. Yeah, so I want you to take your time, follow through this video so that you know how to upload a video without getting blocked. So let me quickly walk you through how I am going to upload this video. So this is my bookshelf. Let me go back to my bookshelf. So this is the book I want to upload. You guys already know I'm not going to hide the topic. That's the topic. Olympic National Park Driver Guide. Okay. So let me complete the setup. Let me start. So I'll walk you through how I do it. So this is the topic of the book. This is the subtitle. That is the title and the subtitle. Then I come here and put my author's name. Please don't use my author's name. You can try to reproduce this book, but please and please don't reuse this author name so that they won't come and terminate your account. Because now I don't know if there are many people, but I did research before I start using this topic. So just quickly get your pen name instead of using this or using exactly this. Just you can do something similar to this, but please don't copy it exactly. So after putting the author's name, I come here and put my description. So I hold the copyright, go down, select no for this sexual explicit image or title. I put no. So selected my primary marketplace, Amazon.com. I selected my category where the book will be. See, Kindle book, travel, central, because this Olympic National Park is in UX. I think in one of the country, which country is that? Wales. No, I'm forgetting the country, but let me quickly go back to the travel guide. Yeah, so yes, Wisdom, I will Wisdom. Okay, that is the place where the national park is located. You see, so I will have to pick this thing and go and add it in my keywords. Okay, so let me put it here. Travel guide. Travel guide. Okay, you can quickly generate your own. Look at this travel guide. Look at the keywords and then replicate it. I know that I said I'm going to do uh, a book on I'm going to do a video on how to write a complete book. Yeah, but while I was doing this one, I didn't remember to record the process, but it's a promise. I'm going to drop a video on how to write a book from scratch, how to check plagiarism, and then how to arrange it, how to format it, and then how to get keywords and then upload it. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing how I'm going to publish this book. Okay, with the help of God, it won't be blocked. So this is the book. This is how I do the book. So this side the book. till the end. So if you want the PDF of this book for a guide, just drop me your WhatsApp number and I will send you the PDF for a guide so that you use it and do yours. And please, when I send it to you, don't upload the same book. Okay, let's quickly get back to our video. So after filling all these, I'll fill the name, I'll fill the title, the subtitle, the author's name, the description, and then the keywords. Then I'll click save and continue. Alright, then now it brings me to this next page where I uploaded my manuscript and then uploaded my cover. This is my cover. Yeah, some of you, I know that my cover is not fine, but I can still teach you how to do it. But if you know how to design better than me, please tell me in the comment section. I'm always ready to learn. You understand? But if you want to learn how I did mine, how I sat down to design it, I can still show you. It's not that difficult. Okay, so this is it. Let it load so that you see it. Okay, this is my cover. This is my cover. So if you want me to show you how I did this cover, it's as easy and simple. It's just that it requires your critical thinking for you to do something like this. You understand? This is the second one I did. Okay, but my mentor said I should use this. That I should use this. That I should use the first one. So this is the one we'll be using. So let's continue with our video. So I uploaded the manuscript, uploaded the Kindle. Is it AI generated? That I said no, and then I previewed it and then click save and continue. Okay, I think the next step is where we'll be uploading where we'll put in the price. So okay, let me she said enroll my book in KDP Select. Give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes, let me know whether we'll enroll it in KDP Select. So before that, let me quickly put the price. This Kindle, I usually use 9.99 in my Kindle, but this time let me use 8.99. 8.99. Let me choose this. Okay. Let's see how it goes. So let me publish. Oh, I've forgotten to put it in KDP in Kindle. Okay, let's say we can still do that later. Yeah. So we have published now. So we'll give it 48 hours to go live. But meanwhile, I want to still publish paperback this night. You can see the time is 8:25. I want to publish my paperback. So I'll end this video here and I'll be uploading a video again on how I'm going to fix my paperback, how I'm going to upload my paperback. So let's go now.